There is power in our words and power in our silence. Everything communicates. From what we say to what we fail to say, from how we move to how we drive, from how we parent to how we play, our lives speak volumes. Everything communicates. From how we sleep to how we eat, from what we give to what we withhold, from what we do and what we fail to do or leave to others to do for us. What we carry and what we let go, what we comment on and what we pass by, what we attend to and what we leave unattended. Everything communicates. From the way we hold to the way we scold, from how we laugh to how we cry, to how we fight, to how we try. Our lives speak volumes. How we apologize and how we forgive. How we love and how we live. Everything communicates.